Nagaland cabinet reduced timeline for HPC to submit report. So Kohima sources like Nagaland cabinet has shortened the timeline for resolving the observation issue of 147 assistant professor and librarian, reducing the initial 8-week period granted to high power committee. Then high power committee to 4 weeks. The decision was taken during Monday afternoon cabinet meeting. Monday afternoon cabinet meeting they do decision low paradose. The announcement was made at the late night press conference held at Chief Secretary Conference Hall, led by Deputy Chief Minister T.R. Zeliang, along with Minister for Power and Parliamentary Affairs K.G. Kenya and Chief Secretary Dr. J.Adam. Following the cabinet discussion, government official engaged in separate meeting with the representatives from Naga Student Federation, NSF, the Combined Technical Association Nagaland, and the Net Qualified Forum of Nagaland. So tahani tu Net Qualified Forum NNQF aro C10 aro itu NSF itu special tahani tu student body ase tahan parent student body enega tahan bi kiba puri ase DSN khan bi ase NSU ala Naga Student Union khan bi ase Federation khan bi ase tahan tu kiba puri tahani tu khota purise aro tu announcement tu late night press conference to do parishe kona apen ke moi jana ase to ushi viral wase update to ajikali itu NNQ aro C10 la update lobote moi ekta common jato tan itu to committee bana thaka to itu committee ke than trust na thaka hoise oi than student body ase they have their own rights tan la bi alag alag thinking ase aro according to them itu 147 itu observation case itu joldi khatam ho lage aro librarian hole bi aro professor khan hole bi genuinely ekdam bhal pra process pura mohan recruit kro lage kona dhan la itu manga se student la kile mane moi bi ta student na se to ne moi bi itu jano pare ase aro apen ke to moi short janai dibo pare ase through my channel apen notun thakile channel subscribe koribi aro bell icon dabi dibi kona request kore ase